welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M13 5G phone. Let's start. This is the phone cover. Let's open it. The borderline is black and this side is almost like a transparent color. We bought it from Amazon and the price is 15,999. 15,999. Here is the phone Galaxy M13 5G. Let's open the box. And here is the phone. The phone box contains handset, SIM, ejection pin, user guide, 15-volt fast charging adapter and a charging cable. My phone color is midnight blue. Other colors are also available. They are Aqua green, Stardust brown. Let's switch on the phone. Let's explore the features. It has 6 GB RAM. Its storage is 128 GB and battery 5000 mAh fast charging battery. Its RAM can be expandable to 12 GB. Phone's memory expandable up to 1 TB. It has inbuilt software, Netflix, Facebook, Snapchat, Prime Video, PhonePe, Amazon. Back camera is dual. One is 50 megapixel, one is 2 megapixel. And front camera is 5 megapixel. Now let's check the photo quality. This is the front camera quality. I hope you find the video useful. If you like my video, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.